feels really good to be outside and in the fresh air today.
Yeah, sun feels nice. The definite change from being inside for the past week. So.
We are working on building our barn style sliding doors for inside the house. So the first thing that we did was get everything cut to length. The doors they're 45 by 85.
40 by 85 and a half.
40 by 85 and a half. It's a good thing he's doing the measurements today. And we cut the tongue and groove off of each of the board that's going to go on either end. And now we're going to put all the tongue and grooves together. And that's going to be the basic layout and our starting point for building the rest of the barn door.
Where from we are. Oh no, the city I always pass.
41 1/8 is good enough.
You told me, heard it's so hard to lie on a rising star that seems to be sinking fast.
What do you think so far?
I think it looks great.
You
I'm
like it?
excited. Yes, I like the design.
Okay, so we're gonna flip it over, do the same exact design on the other side. And for the other side, we're gonna use longer nails. So we actually have the nail going through that 3/4 inch board through the center board, and also it's gonna go into the third board. So with the glue and all the nails and everything going through, getting pulled together, we should be fine.
Yes, and we saw there were a couple of different ways that people were doing this when we did our research on how exactly we wanted to build ours, and we decided that we really wanted to have the trim or the outline, what would I call it? We wanted it on both the inside and the outside of the door. We didn't want the inside of the door to just be plain and not have the same design, I guess you would say, as the outside.
You want the front to look like the back.
Right.
Like a normal door.
Yes, so that was just personal preference, but that's how we're building ours.
Yeah, we actually could leave it the way it is right now and have nothing on the back.
Right. Looks good.
Okay.
Yeah. First one's done. Can you see it? You can see it.
Yeah, so this is obviously not the finished product. I gotta order some black bolts. I'm actually getting black bolts going through here, like hex head bolts, getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 across this way, and 6 or 7 across that way. Stained dark. We have a nice dark handle right here. Give some character.
Yeah, we got some really neat handles off of Etsy.
Yep.
And off of, did you get the little things off of eBay?
eBay, yeah. So we didn't go the standard style that everybody has, like all the modern homes are doing it. We didn't go that route. We actually bought some probably 100-year-old barn door sliders.
Yes.
Refurbished.
They're really neat. They have a lot of character in them. So we're really excited to get those up. And this obviously I'm actually getting ready to go back through and do all of the wood filler and whatnot, and then we're gonna like stain and poly and all of that kind of stuff. So there's still a few more steps, but so far this has been pretty straightforward.
Easy.
Yes,
pie.
and this
Very
is actually
easy.
what we're gonna use for the inside or the back side of the door is gonna be this side. You can see that it has a little bit more of that beadboard look versus this side right here. This is actually going to be the front side, if you can see it.
Yep.
So I'm excited.
Me too. We can go 50 wide, so it's a bit bigger than the other one. Same height as the other one.
Thank you Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. As most of you probably know by now, Skillshare is the perfect tool for expanding your skill set. Their online learning community offers thousands of classes where you can explore new skills and follow your passions. Most classes are under 60 minutes with short lessons and less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. Best of all, Skillshare is for everyone. Whether you're a beginner, a pro, dabbler, or a master, there's something for you. With classes covering topics such as gardening, cooking, video, and film, you have a huge variety of topics to immerse yourself in. As you all know, I have been soaking up spending tons of time in our new kitchen, and now I am getting all the praises from the kids after making the perfect grilled cheese. A mini class to master the sandwich, Learn with Plated, by Elena Karp. A grilled cheese is probably the easiest thing you can make, but with the perfect ingredients, it becomes the best. Elena teaches you all the tricks to getting a gooey, delicious sandwich that the whole family will enjoy. Skillshare is always launching new classes so that you can stay focused and keep growing. The first 1,000 subscribers to click the link in the description below will get a free trial of the premium membership so you can explore your creativity. Thank you Skillshare for helping to support our channel. Now let's get back to the build. The first barn door that we built is going to be for the bathroom, and the second one that we're going to work on is going to be for this room back here, which is
the bedroom right now.
Yes.
The laundry room.
Yes.
The editing room. The multi-purpose room.
Yeah. Everything.
Eventually be a mud room.
Yes. Right now it serves all sorts of purposes. Oh, but the bathroom, vanity top. While we're here, let me show you what ended up happening with that.
We still got a small stain.
Let's turn these on. Okay, so
There's a slight yellow stain right there, right here. So
it actually looks better than it did. What we did was we took baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, made a paste, put it on there for 24 hours, covered in saran wrap, and we did that 3 times in a row before we ended up getting sick, and it just fell by the wayside. So it's lightened up a ton. It's just
I don't think it budged from the last time we did it though.
No, the last time I don't think lightened it up much more, and I'm sure there's other things that we could try, but it's just not a top priority right now. It kind of just is what it is, and I don't think that I'm like super upset about it. At first I was like, oh my gosh, because
We look like a big rust stain.
and I was just so shocked. It was the last thing I was expecting when we flipped over that
What's that?
vanity top.
Now it's there.
But now it's there, so.
No big deal. That's what it is.
When the house is quiet, when the halls are dark, when an empty freeway with no one but the stars, everybody's moving, but you're standing still. I hope this is the moment it's real. We all feel lonely. We all feel lost. No, you're not the only one standing in the dark. Millions of people living out a dream.
Alright, so flip it and do it again, babe.
We're moving now.
Yeah, it's going.
Daily highlight reel. Reach through the darkness. Climb through the smoke. We are all here waiting. You'll never be alone. We all feel lonely. We all feel lost. No, you're not the only one standing in the dark.
Now every time I say your name, I think about when we watched that Thanksgiving video, how many times I said your name in the Thanksgiving video.
You're drunk.
That's not true. Stop making me those white Russians, Josh. I think I'm the only one that uses sticks to stir everything, like out of the woods.
Probably not. I think you're the only one that uses the paintbrush once, throws it in the trash.
I don't like to clean paintbrushes. That's why I buy the
Drives me
cheap
nuts.
ones. Except for this. I really like this thing. So far, I love it. I think it looks gorgeous. I think
Yeah.
it's perfect.
Yep.
It's probably gonna need another coat, but I mean, the stain really transformed the whole thing. And I think once we get the handle on there and all that other stuff also, it's
Yeah.
really gonna like
handle's
pop
cool.
and look unique.
Definitely a cool handle we got. And the rollers.
It's a little bit, it's almost like medieval-ish. I can't smell the stain at all.
Ha! What do you think about that?
I can't smell the stain at all.
Neither can I.
I don't smell anything. The whole time. I don't smell it, the stain at all.
I can't smell either. How weird is that?
It's so weird.
I didn't even think about it. I can't smell either.
Yeah.
Let's do dinner, babe. That's great.
All right, let's get these guys stood up and see what they look like now that the stain's dried. It looks really good. You got it?
Yeah. That's it.
That's it. It looks good. It's beautiful.
It's a big door.
It isn't, but we wanted the big doorways in there. I love it. It turned out really great. I'm super. Once we add all of the hardware on there, we're gonna have the bolts Josh had mentioned going through here, and then also along this one, and then those doorknobs.
Did we show the handles yet or no? Did
No,
we?
let's show them the handles.
All right.
It's gonna be awesome. Wait, can I show them the other side real quick too? Because the other side's a little bit different. You guys know this. It's got a little bit of the beadboard on there. So this is the other side. It's kind of dark. Hold on. It's still the same overall design, but it's just got a little bit more of the lines in there.
I'm not sure what I like better.
I like them both. I'm thrilled.
So do I.
It's perfect. Okay, handles. Ta-da.
These are them right there, and you can see right there, there's actually a face of a lion on these things. I didn't realize it when I bought it, but when I got them here, I noticed it. I think they're definitely
really
cool. So we got 4 of them.
Yes. So excited. Yeah.
Do something like that.
It's gonna look great.
I think so.
So much I don't know. There's one thing I do. Anywhere you go, it's where my heart goes to. Oh, I follow you anywhere that this world takes you.
Can't smell nail polish remover. The stain from yesterday, nothing.
It's very dangerous to not have your sense of smell, Josh.
Like if you haven't showered, you know?
I have been showering, okay?
That's good enough.
To wherever you're at. And just like the sunrise makes every morning, count on me like that. 'Cause I love you forever and back. If it were up to me,
They look great.
Let's give it time.
time would just stand still. It's not ours to keep, only ours to fill. I'd follow you anywhere that this world takes you, to wherever you're at. And just like the sunrise makes every morning